Hello everyone, in this video I will share how to create name on Samsung Galaxy A14. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. In this video I will create my name on lock screen. Okay, first open your settings menu. Yaps. Okay, next open lock screen menu. Next open lock screen. Okay, next click contact information. Click add. Yaps. Okay, you can create your name and contact. Example. Okay, click done. Click done. Change apply to lock screen. Okay. Yup, successfully. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.